Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Your actions must seem natural and executed with ease. All the toil and practice that goes into them, and also all the clever tricks, must be concealed. When you act effortlessly, as if you could do much more. Avoid the temptation of revealing how hard you work. It only raises questions. Teach no one your tricks, or they'll be used against you. Interesting one. Partly I agree with this, partly not. Again, we've got to bear in mind that Robert Greene is working here on a win-lose model. Someone either wins or someone loses, and you want to make sure that you use his laws of power so that you're the winner. Personally, I think there's only two scenarios there. There's win-win and there's lose-lose if we look in the grand scheme or the long time frame. I think there is, it's for me, it's a little bit like you act with the gracefulness of the swan, gliding along the surface without people being aware of how hard you're paddling away underneath the surface. I think there is a lot in that as far as that's concerned. One of my sayings that I say, quite often, I'm very open about this. People, when they come and do my trainers training, particularly, which we're in the middle of doing at the moment, and they see me train, they see me present, they see me speak, and then they take to the stage to do the same thing, they find it's not as easy as they thought it was. They say, you make it look so easy. And my saying with that, because I want them to continue. In a way, if they didn't think that what I do was easy, they probably wouldn't book on trainers training in the first place. That's an important thing. So you want to make this look easy, you want to make this look effortless to encourage other people to want to do the same thing. Once they're in, they then discover it's not actually as easy as it looks. And then they can get a little bit disheartened. What I actually do at that particular point in time is that I remind them that it's only taken me 24 years to become an overnight success. I've spent 24 years, and some years I've spent 200 days out of that year in front of an audience of some kind. I quite often say to them, if I didn't get good at it, then probably I should have stopped earlier and decided to do something else. So, Law 30, we can glean some useful stuff out of that, I think.